the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse.
Hey guys, let's make a helicopter craft, okay? Yeah! Well, let's put some color on it first, okay? I'm going to put some blue on this one. And by the way, you should probably print this on some thick paper if you can, okay? It'll work a lot better that way. Great! And let's put some red on the other wing. Yeah, this is starting to look really cool, isn't it? Great! Wow, now let's put on some green and some yellow, and let's color the treasure box brown. Yeah! And a little bit of pink. Great. Now let's cut it out, okay? Be careful. Stay on the dotted lines. Almost done. Great. Now, be careful when you do this. Cut it right down the middle like that, okay? And fold one wing this way. And fold the other wing this way. Yeah. Now, we need some paper clips, okay? And we're going to use 4 of them, okay? Here's 1. And 2. These will help it fly better. 3. And 4. Great! Well, now it's ready to fly. Let's go try it out, okay? Yeah. Here we go. Wow. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Wow! That was cool. Hey, Lucky. Sorry to wake you up. Let's try it again. Here we go. Wow! That's neat. Great. Hey guys, why don't we sing a song about vehicles, okay? Yeah. Maple Leaf Learning. Hey, let's sing the vehicle song, okay? Here we go. Airplane, airplane. Bicycle, bicycle. Fire engine, fire engine. And train, train. Helicopter, helicopter. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Ambulance, ambulance. And car, car. That was fun. Let's do it again. Yeah. Airplane, airplane. Bicycle, bicycle. Fire engine, fire engine. And train, train. Helicopter, helicopter. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Ambulance, ambulance. And car, car. Let's do that one more time. Yeah! Airplane, airplane. Bicycle, bicycle. Fire engine, fire engine. And train, train. Helicopter, helicopter. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Ambulance, ambulance. And car, car. Yeah!
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
Hey, let's go.
What is it? What is it?
Please show me.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. It's a car. Vroom!
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
Hey, let's go.
What is it? What is it?
Please show me.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. It's a bicycle. Let's ride.
What What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
Hey, let's go.
What is it? What is it?
Please show me.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's an airplane. Good job. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hey guys, I hope you have fun playing with your helicopters. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Goodbye!